Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona. It's Lambo Days. Headphone music seasonal. We got a lot of V12s. We got a V10. We're going to Josh. Let's roll it. Can you rev it some more? I can now give my ears a rest. That is absolutely insane. We got the V10 Huracan. We got 3 V12 Lamborghinis. We have to be to the airport in 5 hours though. We're gonna be driving to Countach. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing. We might go to Raising Cane's though. More to come. It's always a good day in a Countach. The Countach is built to vlog in because it has this vlogging shelf right here.
It's the vlog shelf.
We're trying to get the seatbelt on. What year is this?
1988.
Welcome back to night. Oh, welcome.
You got a little release there?
I don't think we've ever had a more beautiful view on the channel. We're in a 1988 Lamborghini Countach 5000 QV, just out here chasing views on views. We got cacti vlog, and you guys can't see, but there's sweat dripping around everywhere. My head is just pushed up against the roof of this car. It's such a silly car, and that's what makes it so good. Arizona is just out here flexing on the nation. We got 4 Lambos. This 88 Countach, though, I love the 640. I love the Aventador, but there's something so quintessential about this Lamborghini. It's crazy to think they even built this car because it's so impractical, it's so stupid, but at the same time, that's what makes it so much fun. I don't think we're gonna have a spin class today. Somebody else has had some fun here, but we'll see. Obviously, none of these are my cars, and we'll see. We'll see if we can do it. Alex, you gonna spin the Mercy?
Yeah, probably not.
Probably not, yep, yeah, I didn't think so. This could be real, it might not, but it's my understanding that if today's video gets 25,000 likes, 25. James is gonna wrap his Countach pink. No, purple. Wrap it purple.
Wrap it purple.
Purple, yeah. I was gonna say pink, but yeah, we need a purple Countach. If I got a Countach, 100% I'd wrap it purple.
White wheels.
Yes, yes. It's already got 250. That's what Countaches are, roughly 250,000. Yeah. We got to make some money moves, boys. Kidding me? Flexing on me? Are you serious? Also, yes, this interior is as small as it looks. I'm 5'11", and my head is like, I have to scrunch on down in this thing. That's what makes it so much fun. This car was designed for little Italians, so we had the whole squad behind us, and we were headed to Raising Cane's. Dun, 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 dun. Modern cars are faster, yeah. 720S will break 10 seconds in a quarter mile. I'd rather be in a Lamborghini Countach though, sweating like a fat pig, having to crunch down. It just has so much character. Oh, I need one of these cars, James.
You should get one. You should get one.
Alex is gonna rev it. Wait for it. I'm sure he's going to. He has to. He's Lambo Jesus. I told you he was going to. That is such a beautiful sound. Oh, hello, good sir. Wait for it. Wait for it. They always say you'll remember your wedding day or maybe the birth of your firstborn child. No, that's garbage, that's nonsense. We're taking a Lamborghini Countach and 2 other V12 Lambos to Raising Cane's. It's a good day, boys. It's actually snowing in Utah right now. I gotta catch a flight in 3 hours. I don't wanna go home. I just wanna bring my Lamborghini here and chill with the squad. 4 Lamborghinis is cool, but we really could use a 5th. Oh, look. Dropped from out of the heavens, a twin-turbo Gallardo. That was definitely not premeditated. I had no idea. I couldn't even see it. We're here Raising Cane's. Da, 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 da. I have not been to Cane's in a very long time. I think it's been like 6 months. Chicken, sunshine, Lamborghinis, it doesn't get any better. We got to go to the airport in 2 hours though. We got the 750 Lambo, I want to say maybe like a 400 Lambo, I'm not sure the horsepower figures. We got the 580 Lambo, the 640 Lambo, but we have the 1850 Lambo, twin turbo, underground racing, gated manual, and the door's locked. Alex, so good to see you, dude. We went from the Countach to the gated manual, underground racing, 1,000 wheel horsepower Lamborghini Gallardo. That was 55, right? 55. Yeah, no, I see it as 55.
55.
Jeez. This might be the most beautiful sight we've ever had on the channel. Yeah. It's a good day in Arizona. We got 4 Lambos because Lambo Jesus had to go to another luncheon, but hi! That lady just gave me a very weird look. I gotta get my seatbelt on.
Oh, seatbelts.
Twin turbo. Kids, always wear your seatbelts. 2 turbos, boys. That's 2 more than the Taycan Turbo S has, by the way, just in case you didn't know.
But it says turbo.
No, I know, but anyways, if you didn't see my last video, subtle link below. 1,000 wheel horsepower. I've discovered it's pretty adequate. It's a good number to have. My twin turbo Gallardo will probably have 700 to 800 crank horsepower. That's like 600 wheel horsepower maybe, which is still a nice number, but it's not quite 1,000. Dude, thank you for that ride.
Absolutely. No problem.
Next time I come though, I want to get that special fuel to do 1,850. Can we do it? Could I spot you the $700 it would cost to fill up the tank?
Yeah.
I'll do it.
See, let's go.
Okay, it's gonna happen.
We just need an airstrip though. That's our only problem.
You have an airplane though.
Yeah, but you can't just go out on any airport.
Just pull a permit. Just go sign some papers. Yeah. Just, you know.
Lamborghini clear for takeoff?
Exactly,
Clear for takeoff.
exactly. We're good, we're good. Unfortunately, we actually do have to leave Arizona. My flight's gonna be here in about an hour, but Lambos on Lambos on Lambos. But we're actually hopping in that Rolls-Royce Dawn, compliments of luxury auto collection. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. 6,000 pounds of BMW engineering and British design. Go, 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 go. Power reserve, 10%. 6.6 liter V12, not bad. Okay, so we're running very, very late per usual. My flight's about to take off and we're gonna miss it. Here's a serious question. Do I buy a Lamborghini Urus and do a crazy build? Do I buy a Rolls-Royce, or do I get a Lamborghini Countach, or do I get a Murcielago? Think about that, consider it, because we're very, very late. My flight takes off in 20 minutes and it's an hour drive to the airport. There's just something about this Rolls-Royce that I like. I never thought in a million years I would consider buying a Rolls-Royce because I'm not classy, I'm not sophisticated, I don't exude excellence, obviously, but I just like it. But at the same time, would a Urus be a cooler luxury car? I don't know. I know this is an eclectic group of cars, but Rolls-Royce drophead coupe, this is a Dawn, not a drophead coupe, bear in mind, a Lamborghini Urus or a Lamborghini Countach, one of those will be my next cars. If we did a Urus, we do a crazy wide body off-roading, like lifted kit light bars. If we got a Dawn drophead coupe, we do purple with white wheels. And if we got a Countach, it'd probably break and we'd probably fix it and probably go bankrupt. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, we're late.
It is our pleasure to welcome you to the Salt Lake City International Airport.
I crashed so hard last night, it felt like I got hit by a freight train. We're good, I survived. We're back here in Salt Lake City, Utah, and it is 14 hours later. Yes, 14 hours. I think, yeah, 14. I can see the comments typing away wondering, why am I looking at buying another car when I've already run out of space? The garage is full, my neighbors sometimes store some of my cars, Makes and Models has some cars. It's an issue, and an issue that needs to be dealt with, and I'm not dealing with it. My house probably won't be done for about a year. I'm trying to find a warehouse to store some cars temporarily. So that's like the plan, that's the solution temporarily. Now, when is that gonna happen? Kind of sort of soon. When I say soon, you know the drill. I've already done some preliminary research. We're here on Auto Tempest Lamborghini Murcielago price, $175,000 to $225,000. 2 years ago, I nearly bought a Mercy, and what's crazy, the price then is the same price as they are now. They haven't depreciated whatsoever. They haven't appreciated either. I could buy a Murcielago, drive it for 2 years, probably sell it for exactly what I paid for it, but I have an Aventador, I have a V12 Lamborghini that's relatively newer. Is a Murcielago just too similar to an Aventador? I don't know. I don't know. Lamborghini Countach, they built the Countach for 25 years. This 76 Periscopa, $1.1 million, whereas like the 25th anniversary, 250 grand. I like the 5000 QV. That's my favorite iteration, like the one I drove in today's video yesterday. $375,000 for this one at Ferrari of Denver. I actually drove this car about a year ago. If I bought the Countach, there's a sequence of events that I perceive happening. I buy the car. I have the absolute time of my life driving the car, and then it breaks. And then I create a bunch of emotional vlogs talking about how I am gonna go bankrupt trying to fix my Countach. It's like one of my ultimate dream cars is a Countach. I don't know if I'm ready for a classic car because from a maintenance standpoint, you have to expect a car like this to be very, very expensive. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drop Head Coupe. 2009, $142,000. When these things were new, they were like $400,000 to $450,000. So depreciation curve we are at the bottom. I could own this car for a couple years. I might lose maybe $10,000, $15,000, but we're not going to see like this massive drop. A Phantom drophead coupe will always be worth, you know, six figures, you know, $100,000, $125,000. I should not be driving a Phantom. People like this, and like this, and like this should be driving a Phantom. I should not be driving a Phantom, and that's why I think it'd be kind of fun, because it's just so different than any other car I own. Lamborghini Urus. So price range on these, this is the most expensive car in the group. Well, it's not, but it is. Let me explain why. The Urus is so new that it still has a bunch to depreciate. If I own the car for a couple years, I might lose, you know, $40,000, $50,000. $220,000 for this yellow one. I bet a year from today, this car will be worth $180,000, $190,000. That's $30,000 to $40,000 in depreciation alone. But if I got a Urus, think about the build I could do. I don't think anybody's ever lifted a Urus. I don't think anybody has put mud terrain tires on a Urus or a light bar or a wide body kit. I had a good buddy of mine send me a rendering of a Urus wide body with light bars, and I was just like, we just got the best news ever on the C8 Corvette. It's almost here. It is almost here. Okay, I got a little bit excited, but can you blame me? We have breaking C8 Corvette news as of like 5 minutes ago. Like, we're talking 5 minutes ago. The very first C8 Corvettes were delivered to some of their in customers. I think cars number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm car 367. I should be getting a call any day now. I might get it tomorrow or Friday or Saturday or Sunday. My car is being delivered to Louisville, Kentucky to Bachman Chevrolet. So as soon as I get that call, I gotta book a one-way flight ASAP. Okay, I'm a little bit excited. I cannot talk. I have been waiting for this car. I pre-ordered it in July, and it is almost here. So we're gonna drive the car from Louisville back to Utah. I am so excited. I haven't even driven one of the cars. I think I'm the only YouTuber that has not actually driven a C8 Corvette who is getting a C8 Corvette. So the hype is real, boys. My Tesla Model Y. Deliveries are supposed to start on that car on March 15th. I don't have a VIN number. I don't have a serial number. I haven't talked to anybody at Tesla. I have absolutely no idea what's going on. Theoretically, I'm getting the car, but I don't know. And on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over. And